Good morning, everyone. Today's topic is cultivation of carrot. Carrot, the scientific name of carrot is Daucus carota, is grown all over India. It is taken raw as well as in cooked form. It is made into pickles and sweetmeat. Carrot juice is a rich source of carotene and is sometimes used for coloring butter and other foods. Black carrot is used for the preparation of a beverage called kanji, considered to be a good appetizer. Orange colored carrots are rich in carotene, a precursor of vitamin A, and contain appreciable quantity of thiamine and riboflavin. The Asiatic types have more of anthocyanin pigments and less of carotene and may be less nutritive. Green carrot leaves are highly nutritive, rich in protein, minerals and vitamins, and used as fodder and also for preparation of poultry feed. Main carrot growing states are Uttar Pradesh, Assam, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Punjab and Haryana. Climate and soil for carrot. The carrot is a cool season crop, though some of the tropical types tolerate quite high temperatures. The color development and growth of the roots are affected by temperature. Carrot can be grown on all types of soils. It thrives best on a deep, loose, loamy soil. For early crop, a sandy loam soil is preferred, but for high yield, deep, loose, loamy soil is desirable. The long, smooth, slender roots desired for fresh market can successfully be grown on deep, well-drained, light soils. Carrots grown on heavy soils are more rough and coarse than those grown on light, sandy soils. The pH of 6.5 is ideal. Yields are extremely low at pH below this. If the pH is slightly acidic, you will not be able to harvest good yield from the carrot field. Varieties of carrot. There are two distinct groups of carrot: tropical or Asiatic and temperate or European. The temperate types from farm roots both under temperate and tropical climates, but seed sets only under temperate conditions since they need low temperatures of 5 to 8 degrees centigrade for 40 to 60 days before flowering to break the dormancy. The Asiatic types are high yielding, producing seed under tropical conditions. They are poor in carotene content and other quality attributes. The temperate types are biennial, whereas the tropical types are annual. Very little work has been done to improve the tropical types. A wide range of color from black and red to yellow is found in this group. They are more juicy and have bigger core or heavier top and can be grown much earlier than the other type. Important varieties commonly grown in the country are tropical or Asiatic types. Number 21. It is a desi variety with long tapering root, light red and thin roots. Pusa Kesar. It has red colored roots and self-colored core, suitable for early sowing from August to early October. It matures in 90 to 110 days and yields 30 tons per hectare. It contains 7,750 milligram carotene per 100 gram fresh weight. Pusa Meghali. It has orange flesh, self-colored core and sour top. It contains 11,571 milligram carotene per 100 gram fresh weight. Suitable for early sowings, August-September. It gives a yield of 25 to 30 tons per hectare. Produces seeds in the plains. Selection 233. It has orange root with light orange core. Two improved cultivars SC1 and SC2 have also been recommended for cultivation. Temperate are European types. This is second category. First variety is Chianti, an excellent variety for canning and storage. Roots are conical to near conical, thick, attractive, orange, smooth, thick at the soldiers with gradual tapering towards the distinct stumpy end. Core indistinct, flesh tender, sweet and fine textured. Early 19th, almost cylindrical roots terminating abruptly in small thin tail, 12 to 15 cm long, fine textured orange flesh with self-colored core, maturity 90 to 110 days. Imperator developed through hybridization, mid-season to late maturing cultivar, orange flesh and slightly distinct to core. 9/10 half long, cylindrical stumpy roots, bell shaped with abrupt tail, orange scarlet with self-colored core. flesh sweet, fine grained with good flavor and orange scarlet in color. It takes about 110 to 120 days for root formation. Pusha Yamdagni, orange flesh, self-colored core, earlier by a week to 10 days than 9 times. Gino, popular in Nilgiri Hills, it has medium top and self-colored core. The exposed portion of the roots become pinkish green. Early horn and early gem imperator are other cultivars belongs to temperate type of varieties. Now we discuss cultivation. First point is land preparation. How land is prepared for sowing of carrot. So you should take into consideration that you should prepare the soil in a very nice way, so that there is no hindrance in growth and development of the carrots. The field should be worked deep to a good tilth. If the soil is not thoroughly prepared and contains clods, quality root cannot be produced. Root deformity usually occurs in fields which are under preparation. Land surfaces should be as smooth as possible before sowing. Excessive tillage should be avoided since it is costly and affects soil structure adversely. Now, sowing. Carrots are sown directly from seed in the field. The seed is sown on shallow ridges 30 to 45 centimeter apart. In Asiatic types, the distance between ridges is kept 45 centimeter. In temperate types, it should be 30 centimeter. In the northern Indian plains, the tropical types should be sown from August to early October, and temperate types in October to December. In hills, March, July is the sowing time. In South and Central India, seeds are sown during January, February, June, July and October, November. Successive sowing at 10 to 15 days interval ensures a continuous harvest. Shallow sowing about 1.5 centimeter deep gives good germination. Germination is slow and usually 10 to 20 days are required for seedlings to appear. It is desirable that at the time of sowing sufficient moisture should be there, or light irrigation should be given immediately after sowing. It is better to soak the seeds in water for 12 to 24 hours before sowing to hasten germination. The seed at the rate of 5 to 6 kg per hectare is optimum. Manuring and fertilization. Application of 23 tons of well-rotten farmyard manure, 50 kg nitrogen, 40 kg phosphorus and 45 kg K per hectare is optimum. In the absence of organic manure, application of 80 kg nitrogen, 60 kg phosphorus and 60 kg K per hectare gives good yield. An application of 20 to 30 tons of farmyard manure, 25 to 60 kg nitrogen, 25 to 50 kg P and 90 to 110 kg K per hectare is also good depending upon fertility of soil. Apply half of N and full dose of P and K before sowing. Rest of nitrogen should be top dressed 45 to 50 days after sowing. After care, thinning should be done for proper development. The seedlings are thinned to a distance of 4 to 5 centimeter. The seedlings grow slowly at first and cannot compete with weeds. Remove weeds especially in the early stages. The soil should be hoed time to time to allow proper aeration. To control the weeds, spray stump at the rate of 3.5 liters per hectare immediately after sowing. Care should be taken that there is proper moisture at the time of application of stump. If moisture is less, light irrigation can be given. During breeding and hoeing, the crown of the roots is often exposed to light. This causes greening and lowers the quality of roots. For proper development of roots, one earthing up may be done during root formation. Irrigation. After sowing, keep the ridges moist till the germination is completed. Irrigate at 8 to 10 days interval before wilting of leaves starts. Usually a light irrigation is given 2 to 3 days before harvesting. Insufficient moisture results in low yields. However, excessive amounts of water may decrease yield. Carrots should be irrigated before any wilting of leaves takes place. Harvesting and post-harvest management. The Asiatic tropical types carrots attain marketable stage of maturity when these are 2.5 to 4 cm in diameter. At the upper end, delay in harvesting makes roots fluffy and unfit for consumption. Early carrots for market are pulled out when partly developed. They are normally dug out with a spade or kurpi when the soil is sufficiently moist. The roots are trimmed and washed before sending them to market. Generally, Asiatic types produce higher yield 25 to 30 tons per hectare, whereas European types produce around 10 to 15 tons per hectare. Fresh carrots cannot be stored for more than 3 to 4 days under ordinary conditions. However, long-term storage in cold storage is possible without appreciable change in quality. At temperatures of 0 to 4.5 degrees centigrade and with 93 to 98% relative humidity, carrots can be stored for 6 months. Storage at 98 to 100% RH results in less decay than at 90 to 95%. At higher humidity, moisture loss is considerably less. As a result, the produce remains crisper, firmer, and of better color. The optimum temperature for minimizing decay is 0 to 1 degree centigrade. There is no change in the nutritive and organoleptic properties of carrots stored in crates covered with perforated plastic films at 0 degree centigrade and 93 to 96% RH for 7 to 8 months. The stored carrots yield juice of acceptable commercial quality. Physiological disorders in carrot. Splitting or cracking of carrots roots is a major problem in many carrot growing areas. Although the tendency of splitting seems to be controlled by genetic factors, a number of other factors may be involved. The splitting is reduced by low nitrogen and increases as the amount of nitrogen in the soil increases. The soil concentration of ammonium compounds causes more serious splitting than by other forms of nitrogen. Carrot splitting is not affected by time of planting or variety. Wider the spacing, the greater is the amount of splitting, and large roots are more likely to split than small ones. Irrigation and herbicides do not significantly affect the amount of splitting of carrot roots. For seed production of tropical types in plains, sow the seeds in September, harvest roots in December and January, and immediately plant the selected roots. The seeds are harvested in May-June, the yield being 500 to 600 kg per hectare. Thank you for patient sharing.